So there's this confusion people have about what are keywords in a resume. Typically, these are hard skills which are unique to that particular job function or sometimes even to the job role. When I say hard skills, I don't mean just technical skills. So yes, it's great to have SQL or a particular language, programming language, etc. That would be helpful, but it would be specific to that function. So if you are in finance, it would be preparing financial reporting, keeping in mind SOX compliance or US GAAP, or even if you don't want to be that technical, it could be your monthly management reporting, which is something which people from other functions typically would not know. Whereas more of your generic soft skills, like your team playing, communication skills, these are skills which are required in most functions. And these are not your keywords. So know the right keywords to put in your resume. That's why when we create resume, I always advise people to focus on the hard skills. Your soft skills will come out in the way you present your resume and in your interviewing through the behavior-based interview questions, whereas resume is more to justify the concrete work you've done and the impact you've had in your various roles.